It has been a long time coming for Binance to list SAFEMOON. Will this dream be realized or will it always remain a pipe dream? Watch this video to the very end to learn why this is a long-awaited listing may never happen, as well as any additional information and potential listing by major exchange. Disclaimer: How are you? Welcome to this channel again. You definitely don't want to miss seeing today's video for a very long time. Fans of SAFEMOON have been waiting for the project to launch on Binance, but in this video, I'll explain why that may never happen. If this is your first time here, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be the first to know when a new video is posted to the channel. Okay, let's get started. We start with some wallet news. The SAFEMOON wallet offers an intriguing feature that you may not have seen before. A SAFEMOON Discord mode made the community aware of the feature, which allows you to see your balance across all chains. When discussing it, the mode noted, "Here's a cool feature I didn't realize the wallet I had. Tap and hold balance to display the balance across all chains." Still on the subject of SAFEMOON wallet, the Android version has recently received an update. What's new in the updated version? Well, in this version, the actual price now appears in the swap, allowing you to obtain the current value of your SAFEMOON token directly from the swap as opposed to in the past. The update also allows you to refresh your reflection tracker, which also displays loading progress, and the wallet now has an info button. As for the cool new features on the updated Android version of the SAFEMOON wallet, the previous update include a My Token screen that allows you to switch wallets, but it didn't work properly. The issue has also been fixed in this update, not to mention the updated UI features on the chain selector. Moving on from wallet news, if you've been following this channel lately, you may know that the issue with naming conventions with importing a wallet has been fixed. Discussion of it, those that pre-ordered will be receiving their merchandise very soon. So if you did, expect your box at any time and don't forget to let us know how you like it and when you receive it. The SAFEMOON team stated that edition number 1 things are in stock at the warehouse and ready to share. That being said, before we move on to the news, there have been discussion about the statement exchange and excitement has been building as the SAFEMOON army anticipates the big launch recently. But there has been some sadness regarding the exchange and the fire seems to have died down. To answer that question, we are still getting the exchange in this year too. In fact, given recent events, we might even able to speculate. What if the SAFEMOON teams wait for Binance to adopt global tokenomics and list SAFEMOON before proceeding with launch of the exchange? Based on what we know about the Mandala team's disclosure that Binance was work on doing so to the exchange. Consider it in this way. When Binance lists SAFEMOON, it immediately reaches a new record high. But after a while, this pump will decline. However, the SAFEMOON team could launch at the exact moment, pushing SAFEMOON to a new record high. The redditor who shared this theory thinks that SAFEMOON could even surpass 50 cents if this strategy is used. What do you think about the SAFEMOON exchange anticipated debut date and the Binance listing? The main story in today's video, will Binance ever list SAFEMOON? Please express your ideas in the comment section below. Members of the SAFEMOON army have this question in the forefront of their minds, and a fan of the project has come with a theory that, at first glance, may not seem to be answer they're looking for. The Predator claims that a Binance listing would be a big one for the SAFEMOON, but since the project is beginning to establish itself as a major player in the cryptocurrency market, the likelihood of miners listing SAFEMOON is slim. The collaboration and listing by Binance is a good one for the project, but this redditor is convinced that the longer SAFEMOON goes with Binance listing, the easier it is for community members to see the true potential of SAFEMOON. Look at BNB, how many other exchanges beside Binance are listed on a very few reasons, because why would a competitor exchange want to shill another exchange coin? The redditor also pointed out that SAFEMOON is arguing for being totally independent from any other blockchain and having its own exchange, saying that if everything goes well, it might compete with Binance thanks to its low cost and quick transaction times. If this occurs, listing SAFEMOON on Binance would be pointless. The reasons in brief explain why the redditor does not think Binance will finally list SAFEMOON. What do you think? Nevertheless, about the SAFEMOON listing on Binance, please feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Speaking of marketplaces, Qcoin may be the next marketplace to offer SAFEMOON. The Qcoin team asked a question about it on their official Twitter account, and it became clear from the responses that the majority of people wanted to see SAFEMOON listed as a cryptocurrency. What do we know about Qcoin, and what does SAFEMOON stand to gain from this listing? Well, the Cy Kelly's base. Crypto exchange is a great alternative for the SAFEMOON token to be listed on, given that it has a large user base and minimal trading costs, as well as a variety of cryptocurrency listed on it. This action will raise SAFEMOON's visibility, which will raise the volume of transaction and thus alter the price of SAFEMOONs. There's another chance to join the incredible SAFEMOON team. Please let me know in the comment section if you believe Qcoin would be a wonderful venue for SAFEMOON to be listed. According to the job description posted, SAFEMOON is currently seeking a sales executive headquartered in Utah who will represent the company with current and new partners. As this is a sales position, the executive must generate leads and work toward converting them in order to fulfill sales targets. Guys, if you have what it takes, apply right away and get ready to work with a team. Moving on to the news from the broader crypto market, a reputable analyst is forecasting a really low bottom for Bitcoin. The analyst who correctly predict Bitcoin's price peak at 69,000 has forecast an absurdly low bottom for the cryptocurrency. Dave the Wave is a well-known cryptocurrency analyst and a YouTuber who is known for foreseeing the bloodbath in the price of Bitcoin in May 2021. He also correctly predicted a double top pattern at $69,000 to May 2021 crash in Bitcoin. Renowned for his really precise forecast, the analyst recently shared his thoughts on a new evidence that suggests Bitcoin will form a new price bottom. He stated on Twitter that Bitcoin is returning to its May 2021 low, and despite the fact it is currently trading above the price range, Dave the Wave believes it will soon start to decline. 3 indicators point to this prediction, according to Dave the Wave. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD), and Logarithmic Growth Curve, or LGC, of Bitcoin show that crypto market is indeed in a dire state and that crypto winter appears to be long and harsh. But this is not the time to panic because markets go through cycles. What's down today will probably go up tomorrow, and despite the market's recent gloom, a study of economists reveals that investors' impression of cryptocurrency is rising. According to survey results, demand will increase soon, according to a report published by The Economist. This conclusion is based on the findings of report Economist Impacts Digimentality Report, which also examines consumers' trust in digital payments and the roadblocks preventing the digitization of fundamental monetary functions. A key finding from the survey was the majority of investors preferred open-source cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and other and believed they were helpful in diversifying a portfolio or treasury account. The research data shows that 85% of respondents held this view while 90% and 10% institutional investors shared it. The data obtained provide food for thought and perspective as it compares trends for previous surveys on the subject carried out in 2020 and 2021. Consumers identified regulation as the biggest barrier to institutional investors in the report, and they added market trust and understanding of the crypto space to the list of barriers that stand in the way of institutional investors more than anything else. The report also highlighted CBDCs with an increasing number of consumers expecting them from their respective governments. With that said, we successfully concluded this video. I believe you enjoyed today's update. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below as this really helps me with the YouTube's algorithm.